Yo.
Welcome back. Today we are looking at this incredible best Lilygo TDeck. Everyone is buzzing about this product right now. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere because the value here is mind-blowing. Talking about quality, it feels solid and premium. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. It's designed to fit perfectly into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch. Inventory is very low. Grab the discount via the link below and secure yours at the best possible price today. Don't wait until it's gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.